Hi everyone, we're going to be making these two cupcakes, the bunny face, look how cute, and we're going to be making the bunny butts. Couple of things that you need, nothing crazy. You're going to want some sweetened shredded coconut. You're going to need chocolate pearls or any type of candy that's round. You can do whatever color you desire. I prefer blue or black just to keep it like neutral and everything pops up better. Pink sanding sugar, this is going to be for the ears. Marshmallows, you're going to want to have the big ones and the small tiny ones. You're going to need buttercream. This one's almond, but you can use vanilla. You can do whatever buttercream you want. It doesn't matter as long as it's white, because this is going to be the bunny's face and body. And then you need green buttercream. I love this tip, the grass tip, but if you don't have it, you can get a regular star tip and just swirl a little bit on it and then put the bunny on top. Or you can use this as a spatula and you can just spread the green buttercream on the cupcake. You're gonna also need pink buttercream. You're just gonna snip the tip. This is gonna be for the details on the cupcake, little feet. We're gonna need cupcakes, obviously. You can use whatever your favorite recipe is. It doesn't matter the flavor because we're gonna cover it. And we're pretty much set. Alright, so for the first one, we're gonna do the face just like this. Make sure you have really clean hands, really clean scissors. You're gonna grab your marshmallow and you're gonna cut it diagonally. And there you have two ears. Look at that, how cute. So now you're gonna want to get your sanding sugar. You're gonna dip the sticky side, the side that you cut, dip it in the sugar and it's gonna stick like that. And there you have two ears. Easy peasy. You're gonna grab your white buttercream, whatever flavor you want, and you're going to swirl it. After you do your swirl, it's gonna look like this. You can go ahead and do it like this. I prefer, just because, I don't know, I just like the way it looks better. Just smooth it out a little bit. You're gonna take your two ears and you're gonna stick them on. You're gonna want to do this right away because if the buttercream starts to set, the ears are not gonna stick. Now obviously look how cute, you can just leave it like this, but we're gonna make the whole little face. So after you got this part done, looks like this, you're gonna make part of the nose and the mouth. Just so it's a little bit lifted. And you're gonna cover the whole thing in coconut. And when you have that ready, looks like fur, you're gonna grab your two little pearls and you're gonna try to squish them in a little bit so it touches the buttercream, that way they stick. And you're gonna go in for your small marshmallow. You're gonna cut it in a diagonal. You're gonna have a little version of the nose. You're gonna grab it this way, the thicker part up. You're gonna snip kind of like almost half of it. You're gonna dip that in your sugar just like we did the ears, and you're gonna stick it in the center. And there you have your little bunny. Now we're gonna go to this one. This time we're gonna use the grass tip, and we're gonna squeeze the bag a little bit so it falls, touch the cupcake, and lift. We have our grass ready to go. You're gonna grab this one again, and you're gonna make a circle in the center, pretty fat. So you're gonna be your bunny's body. And you're gonna make the little feet. The way we're gonna do this is we're going to make a little dot and we're gonna swipe up. Now we're gonna go in with our pink buttercream, that small tip. Once you're done with that, we're gonna do 3 dots. We're gonna go in with a small marshmallow. We're gonna put some buttercream on it. We're gonna dip it in some coconut. And we're gonna stick it in the center. Bunny butt. That's about it. There you go. Really simple, easy, and fun, and pretty and cute. And you're gonna impress everyone with your little Easter cupcakes.